Well, hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through the process of hanging this shelf. We're going to be doing it in this storage closet, so let's go ahead and dive in. So first guys, you want to determine where you want to put your shelf. You want to go ahead and mark that. A couple different ways you can do that. Number one, you can do it like I'm showing you right here. You can turn the shelf like this, and if you have a level, you can set it right there, and that way it'll hold where it wants to go, and you can just mark where you want it to go. I'm going to put mine closer to that wall because I want to give it a little bit of stability. I'm going to put another extra clip. I'll show you guys that near the end of the video, but you can do it like this, and I'll also show you another way you can do it as well. So guys, another way you can do this is go ahead and get your level, get it straight, make sure it is level, and you can make a line right there. That way you can determine exactly where you want your line to go, where you want your shelf to go. In case you want to hold your shelf up, you can do this. Make your mark all the way across, make sure it stays level, and then you'll make sure you know where you're gonna put your screws and your anchors. So guys, what you're gonna do right here is come off just about 3 inches from the beginning of your line. That's gonna be where your first clip goes, and then it recommends that you put a new clip at least every foot or every 12 inches. So I'm gonna go about 11 inches and put another dot right there. And what you're gonna do is just keep going all the way down your line every 11 inches and make your little mark. That way, when we come back in a minute and put our clips in, they're gonna fit. And also you wanna make sure that they're fitting in between the rafters as well, so it doesn't actually hit one of those beams that come back, because that actually could mess you up. You have to move it right over just a little bit. So go ahead and measure out 11 inches, measure it out right there, make your little mark, and then we'll kind of keep on walking all the way down and finish up. So guys, what you're gonna do next, where you mark these holes, you're gonna go ahead and use a drill bit and make a hole in the wall. And what you're gonna be doing is sticking this clip right here in, and this clip has its own anchor. It's gonna go in, and then once you push this, this nail right here in, the end of this clip is actually gonna expand, and it's gonna hold it in the wall. So if you're worried about the strength of your shelf and you're worried about those anchors, I do recommend these things called toggle bolts. I've used these in multiple different projects. I do think it's gonna make your shelf a little bit stronger. So if you're worried about that, maybe you want to mix these in every couple times, or if you're worried about them falling off, or if you think something's going to be really heavy on here. Ours is not going to hold anything really heavy, so we're just going to go ahead and use the ones that came with this kit. But you can always use a toggle bolt, and it's very similar to the same thing. Instead, this just actually goes in and expands on the outside. These are a little bit bigger and a little bit stronger than the ones that came with the kit. Going to do is go ahead and push this all the way in, and if you need something, just kind of tap it in there. You can just be really careful, but you can push that in, tap it in, and then again you're going to use this little spike or little nail that it came with and just tap that in there. Oh, now it's in there pretty tight. It's good. I'm just going to do that all the way down. So I went ahead and drilled the pilot holes first. I think this is a lot easier since you just go ahead and have your drill, just go all the way down. Then you can go all the way back and put your clips in. Well, hey guys, I do want to show you a little spot I messed up right here. It wouldn't be a DIY project if you didn't, but what I did, I actually went too close to this stud right here and caught the corner of that stud. What I did is just went ahead over a little bit and went ahead and put another one in just right there. Make sure it's not part of that hole. Also, make sure it doesn't hit one of the other horizontal lines when you put it in. You don't want it to mess up right there. So just move it over a little bit and set it off, and it should be good to go. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. All right, now you can just go ahead and clip them in. So guys, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and put one of these braces in. It says make sure you do this at least once every 36 inches, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put one right here on the end, another one right there on that end, and one kind of right in the middle. You want to make sure you got it all level. Get your level out and make sure it's level. You can try it a couple different ways just to make sure that it's as level as it can be, and then you can make a mark right here, and I'll show you that this one's a little bit different than these other ones. So again, you want to just take a little bit of time here just to make sure that everything is level. So for the braces, it's a little bit different. You're still going to do your pilot hole with your drill bit. Then the anchors look a little bit different. They look like this. And so they're going to go in there. You might have to punch them in with your hammer. And then again, you're going to push it in with the nail. And that's going to make it expand on the other side and give it some stability as it's trying to hold up this shelf. So just like I mentioned before, you want to make sure you drill your pilot hole here. Then you'll stick the anchors in, and then the nails will go in at the end. I do want to let you guys know that I have another video where I do this with anchors, and I will post that video right here when it's available. Also, I'll have it in the description as well. You can check that out if you'd like to add a little bit more stability to your shelf. So guys, like I mentioned, I wanted my shelf moved over a little bit, and the reason I wanted to do that was I wanted to put one of these clips in. This can give it a little bit more strength and stability, and so I wanted to make sure that at least one side would have one of these wall clips. And so all you have to do is just slide it in here until you can figure out that's exactly where you want it to be. And then you'll just go ahead and mark exactly where those are gonna go. Now you got 2 marks, and you're just gonna go ahead and just the same that you did the other ones, go ahead and drill 2 pilot holes, put the anchors in, and then put this in. And this will, again, will kind of give more stability to this, especially this side, have a little bit more strength. And again, just like the toggle bolts, it's not absolutely necessary, but it will add a little bit more strength to your shelf. So I did have to remove some of these brackets in order to do this, but I think this will help in the long run. Well, hey guys, another thing you can do is you can buy these little end caps. Sometimes they come in a kit, sometimes you can just buy them individually, but they can go on the ends of these little racks right here. You can put them on the ends of all of them. Make sure that you're not gonna poke anything or a kid won't hurt themselves or whatever. Also wanna let you guys know that you can actually cut these. So you can get them cut in store, or you can just take them to your house and you can cut these with a saw or whatever that might be. You can cut them here, you can cut them on the other end, whatever you wanna do. If you need to make this smaller, if your area is really small or anything like that, you can cut these, and then you can put these little end caps on them to make sure that they're smooth and they're not gonna cut anybody or hurt you or anything like that. So guys, don't forget this. You can make your shelf stronger. You can add more stabilizers. If you need more clips, you can use toggle bolts. You can even use another one of those face holders over there, whatever that might be, just to add a little bit more strength to your shelf. Well, hey guys, I hope this video helped you save some money and get back to doing things you enjoy. If it did, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. Also, check out one of these other videos right here, and I'll see you over there.